To install the EAC software, we need to go into the setup folder of the software package for EAC. It was either downloaded or on the software DVD. Click on the setup folder. And then you're looking for the setup the application. So we're going to click on setup. Click yes. Now, once we get to the setup screen, we're going to click next. And then it's going to ask for the software CD key. This is located on the back cover of the CD case, the DVD case, or in an email presented to you when you purchase the software. Once you enter the CD key, click next. Now on the license agreement screen, you want to take note of the license. You can also print that if you want to. You want to click accept and click next. Put in your username and your company name. The company name is required. Doesn't care what it is, but it does require an entry there. Click next. This is the installation folder and where it's going to install the software. Click next. We suggest keeping it as typical format for installation. Click next. This will select if you want to install the Iris server service and if you want it to be set up as to run automatically. My suggestion is to leave this as manual for now. We can always go back in and make the Iris server service automatic later. Click next. Click next. And OK. We need to select the database type. In this case, we're going to use Microsoft Access as our database, which will not require any other software installed. Click next. Click next. And install. It'll go through the installation process. This will take a couple minutes. Once the installation is completed, you click on Finish. And now the EAC software is installed, and you'll notice on the desktop you'll have a folder called Iris Access EAC.